Hey, welcome back, Crypto Leverage Trading Group. Hope we're doing well today. We are back in Bex Plus, and we're going to do a little update here. I got a few messages, got a text a little while back about what now? What do I do now? Like we've gotten out of our sell downs, we got rid of those last night. We're still in our buy ups. We've got Bitcoin now breaking 33,000 and then now falling back down. Still up 270% on that entry at 31,759. But what do? Do you take your 270% here? Should you have taken your at 33,000? Everything about entry and exit is within comfort. What you're willing to do, okay, in terms of following the methods and strategies, in terms of being comfortable with how you're trading, okay? You can take this now. We're seeing this now here, our second hourly candle coming up here after a doji candlestick, which usually signals we're gonna have a change, okay, in direction. And that's just candle recognition that we've talked about numerous times. This is Ethereum here. It got to be about 2000. It's now 1976. But we're still up in Ethereum, okay? You're looking at 539% Ethereum, 254% in Bitcoin. Let's switch over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the see, it looks virtually the same, okay? But it's just had its first red candle here, okay? And it's at an RSI of about 60, which isn't too terribly, high on the RSI to warrant, some selling. But we've had a run up. We've had a big move here from these levels all the way to here up in the last 12 hours in Bitcoin. So the two options that you really have, there's a bunch of options, but the two options really primarily are sell and take your 263% along with your correlated trades here that are all, twice as much as Bitcoin. We've talked about before. Litecoin, 450. Okay. XRP, 485. All right. Twice. Just using Bitcoin as the barometer of a correlated method. Okay. Get out of the market, boom, take your profit, and be happy. Well done you, right? That's it. You made the move, we made the trade. Or you can use another method, and that is re-enter another straddle trade, meaning here at Bitcoin at 32,600 channel, go ahead and enter a sell down in Bitcoin. You can use like leverage or lower leverage, depending on what your original entry was. This will protect you from any bottoming or a bearish move here taking place. Maybe Bitcoin falls back down to here again in a retest to form a double bottom here in the last 24 hours, okay? Capture those gains there, okay? Now, what do you do with your buy up? Well, you leave it open, okay? And you leave it alone, all right? You're still 270 and 500% up in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now, a lot of new traders will be like, I don't want to sit at the screen and watch my P&L decline. Well, then get out, okay? Because there's a method. You have a strategy that you're employing. You're capturing while your up entry is falling from 267% down to zero. Your sell down entry is going from zero, okay, up 50%, 80%, 100%, 200%, okay, as you're playing that move down, right? And then once it bottoms, okay, you then employ the averaging method. You exit your sell down and take your profit. You then roll those exchange profits over into buying down your buy up entry, which was for Bitcoin at 31,759. Maybe Bitcoin doesn't get below 31,759 on this backdraft, okay? And you don't have to do anything, okay? Or maybe you want to add to your trade because it bottomed out again, and a double bottom tends to be bullish, okay, in terms of what comes next, okay? And those patterns, right? So, the simple thing is to exit, take your profit, and just enter in a sell down trade if you think the market is going down. Okay, so you have some options available to you. But it's interesting that we talk about correlated trading and people push back on it. And in reality, we've seen, look at these charts here. This is Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. This is Litecoin. And this is XRP. They're all 99% correlated. Okay, and that's what I want you guys to know. When you enter these entries, you're the profitability here you can see is twice as much in the altcoins than it is in Bitcoin. So make those determinations there, mates.